Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at best hidden camera detector apps for Android. I'm going to give you 5 verified best hidden camera detector apps for Android. The first is called Hidden Camera Detector, and this app uses your Android device's camera and flash to detect hidden cameras. It has over 100,000 downloads and a PEGI 3 rating. Next on our list is Detectify. Detectify Devices Detector. This app scans for suspicious devices on your network and has features like IR detection filters. It has over 10 million downloads and a 4.0 star rating. Next on our list is called the Hidden Camera Detector Spy Scan. This app detects hidden cameras using your device's camera and flash. It has over 10,000 downloads and a PEGI 3 rating. Next is Hidden Spy Camera Finder Pro. Now this app scans for hidden cameras and spy devices on your network. It also offers exclusive guides and recommendations for staying safe. The last on our list is Glitter. It's not listed in most search results, but it's a known hidden camera detector app. Now this app detects hidden cameras using a magnetometer. Sorry about that. Using a magnetometer sensor. It's available for download on the Google Play Store. Please note that while these apps can help detect hidden cameras, they may not be 100% effective. So always use caution and common sense when using this app. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.